Buma.
I'm Don. I'm Peter.
I'm Jammer.
I'm Theo.
I'm Jeremy.
I'm Selena.
I'm Angela.
I'm Trisha.
I'm Leia.
I'm Lynn.
And we are...
The Union Digital Finance Team!
So, isang third na natin. Ano kaya pamalo natin today?
Nakita ko sa last episode, nagmukbang ang tag team. Parang gusto ko rin kumain.
Okay lang yun guys, mukhang masaya din yung sa atin. Kasi maglalaro tayo ng...
Celebrity Challenge!
Guys, game na ba kayo?
Game na game na!
Yes, sir!
Okay, you guys already have your groups, diba? So, team o best friends, team o barkada.
Kaya today.
Okay, team o barkada goes first for the first question. Kung zero ang budget ng marketing, bakit?
Ano to general answer lang. It's not my answer.
Medyo ko lang, warm up lang yun, guys. Warm up lang yun. Okay, yung totoo na. First question. Ano ang favorite UD product ng finance team? 3,
Isipin mo yung iniisip ko.
2, 1, show. Walang S. Okay lang yun. Okay, 1 point per kada. Okay, second question. Ano ang favorite color ni Sir Peter? 3, 2, 1, show your answers.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, next team. Sino ang pinaka-strict sa budget?
Oh, ano?
Wow.
Wow.
Okay. 2, 1.
Close enough.
Okay, next team. Pinakamaagang pumasok sa finance team. 3, 2, 1.
Iisip, ba't siya ako ba
Okay, team best friends. Back to you, two representatives. Question. Sinong tribe sa UD ang pinakamagastos?
Siyempre, siya ni Ben.
3, 2, 1. Show your answer. Sino ang malakas uminom sa finance team? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Show your answer. Question. Pinakamagaling sa math sa finance team?
Touch mo.
3, 2, 1. Show your answer. We consider the all caps answer. So,
May story. May story.
okay, we move on to Team Barkada representatives. Question. Sinong pinaka-konyo?
At hindi na lang spelling ng pangalan.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Show your answer.
Wrong spelling, wrong.
Okay lang yung spelling. Okay, 2 more representatives from your end. In under 1 minute, you have to solve this.
Yun,
Oh my God!
Naku, hindi naman yung mga magaling sa akin.
Pwede kayong magtulungan na sa team. O guys, compute. Boy, daya ng cellphone. Bawal cellphone. Manual.
2 hours later.
Pass your papers forward. Finish or not finish? G? 3, 2, 1. Show your answer. Tama!
17.
That's correct. Okay.
Perfect tayo dito.
In under 1 minute, solve this, ma'am. Okay, time's up. 3, 2, 1, show your answer.
Circle mo ba?
Correct! Okay, one more question worth 3 points. So all of you guys will answer it. Kung sino may correct answer, they'll get the 3 points. Kung ang UD employees ay 150, tapos each employee ay may 200 pesos budget per day, including weekends, starting June, magkano ang total spend this 2024 kung May na ngayon?
Is this correct? I'm showing.
Mali sagot nila eh.
So the nearest answer is Ubes Friends. Okay, so the losing team will do a TikTok dance.
Bye,